Hi everybody, welcome back. Good morning. This is Marybeth with you once again inside of my back office of the Get Fearless Freedom marketing system. And I have been getting so many inquiries recently about this really hot and really popular Craigslist auto reply software. People are absolutely loving it, and it's not difficult to understand why that is. First and foremost, it is really simple. Okay, it's very affordable and super cost efficient to put up and post a Craigslist ad. Not to mention, it is automated. This is part of an automated process and a great place to get unlimited high quality leads because Craigslist.org still is and remains a very popular top classified ads website. It has been for many years. 2025 it still is, and there is no signs of it whatsoever slowing down. As a matter of fact, for people who do not want, for whatever reason, to utilize social media, I understand you may not be a social media marketing enthusiast. So this is a great alternative for you to focus on your traffic and lead generation strategies because let's face it, traffic and leads, that is the lifeblood of all businesses. You need, in order to thrive in 2025, an ample supply of leads. And unfortunately, if you don't have an ample supply of leads, your business, you're probably most likely going to fall victim to lead poverty. However, you want to remain afloat and you want to stay in that lead abundance state, that lead abundance status. And this is an excellent resource and a simple strategy to utilize for your traffic and lead generation. Okay, I absolutely love it. I know that you will too. And not to mention, you can use this to help you to build any business of your choice. Okay, and you can also resell it. You can also resell it and keep 100% of the profits. So you can use this to be a builder for any business of your choice, and you can also be a reseller. So it's really dual purpose. So without further ado, let's get into the good stuff right now. At the mastery level, $500, you pay $500 one time, and you can utilize to the fullest this amazing tool and amazing software. On the flip side, you can resell it, and you can start to earn the potential to earn $500 per sale. Here it is right here, mastery level, Craigslist auto responder. Okay, this is part of the Get Fearless Freedom marketing system at the mastery level. It's really simple. All you'll do once you make the purchase, you'll have instant access to your back office and you'll be able to get started, and you'll click on your mastery level, watch this video. You just start right here. This is step by step, your video walkthrough tutorial training video. You'll watch the video to learn how to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. Then you're just going to simply follow these simple 6 steps, okay? Step number 6, very important, because when you go to create your brand new Craigslist.org account, you will be utilizing the email address that is assigned to you that was specifically and exclusively created for you for your Craigslist marketing. It's this address right here in step number 6. When you go to enter an address into the follow-up settings, this will be a personal email address. As you can clearly see here, this email address that the company assigned me for my Craigslist account for me to log in is different from this. This one will serve as a forwarding address only, okay? So you just want to put a personal address here, and then you go ahead and you enter your auto response message right here, okay? And you can give a simple call to action. What I did is I took my capture page to Get Fearless Freedom, where I am building my email list, okay, and collecting email addresses all day long from my Craigslist posts, getting new subscribers, because remember, the origin of the cash flow, the origin of the money, lies in your email list. The money's in the list. The fortune is in the follow-up. So this is my auto response message. And when somebody lands on my ad and they hit the reply button inside of my Craigslist ad, this is the auto response message that automatically and instantaneously gets sent out to their email address so they can receive it and get the information that they just requested. And then they can go to my website. They can learn more by willingly entering their email address. They become one of my email subscribers on my email list, and they continue to get my follow-up emails because that is where the know, like, and trust also originates. Because remember, people don't join companies, folks. They come to join those through the journey, through the process, people that they come to know, like, and trust. So it's really simple, folks, and it works amazingly, amazingly well. Okay? So this is my message. So you set this up right here. And when you're all finished, you just simply hit submit Craigslist follow-up. It's so easy. It is so easy. So that's all there is to it, folks. Watching a video, this is your tutorial video. Every feature, every tool, every resource, every software has a training video. This happens to be the one for Craigslist right here. And then you just follow these instructions. They have to be followed exactly and precisely. You can't try to reinvent the wheel or deviate away from these, okay? But it's very, very simple. You create a brand new Craigslist.org account with this assigned email. You simply enter a personal email here. You enter your message here, and this can be for any business opportunity. I happen to have mine tailored to my Get Fearless Freedom. And if you want to resell Get Fearless Freedom, you can also do that. You can be a user of the marketing system for any business. You can also resell Get Fearless Freedom and have the potential to earn 100% of the profits on 4 done-for-you digital products based on the ones that you own, okay? So whatever level you start with, that is what you're going to be able to have the potential to earn up to and including, okay? And yes, you can upgrade at any time. This happens to be a very sweet spot. It's been a very popular entry level point into Get Fearless Freedom, and people love it. They join it because of the software. They love it. It works. It's simple. It's cost efficient. We show you and we teach you and we train you on how to put up and post $5 ads on Craigslist. Very effective and very cost efficient. Okay, so it's really a win-win. Okay, so message goes here, hyperlink to the capture page where you want to have your opt-in form where you're going to be collecting emails and building your #1 asset, your email list. Okay, and then you're all finished. You just simply submit here and you are good to go. This is literally set and forget, once and done. And then the final end product is your ad. Somebody clicks on the ad. We even give you the ad copy. We give you the images, which literally eliminates and removes all the guesswork out of the equation, so you don't have to stress about what to say, how to post, creating images. It's all provided for you, but you will want to change these up just a little wee bit, okay? Just a little wee bit. But this is my ad, folks, and it has been serving me very, very well. I collect leads all week long from this ad. I'm building my email list. I'm able to take a percentage of my new subscribers, my leads, and over time, when they're ready, convert them into new customers, paid buyers, so I can earn commissions with Get Fearless Freedom. This ad here pulls very, very well, okay? It captures curiosity and it piques interest. People click on it. They review it right here. They follow my simple call to action to reply to this, and we will send you a website with all of the details immediately. So what do you do right here? You simply click on this reply button right here, okay? You simply click on this. You click on email. You click on your email provider, and you simply type in something to the effect of, okay, something to the effect of, please send me info. Okay, very simple, short, simple, sweet, right on point. And then you hit the send button. And what that's going to do, that's going to send me a message that I had somebody who responded to my ad. But even more important than that, they are going to automatically receive that message that I just shared with you right to their email. I never have to manually respond or manually reply ever to inquiries. It saves me time. I can work smarter and not harder, and they're going to get my website. Okay, they're going to be able to go to bestincomechoice.com, which I'm dropping that link below in the description. If you're serious, I want you to know in advance that I welcome all serious inquiries. And the best way to reach me is text me or call me at 330-787-1795. That number is my personal cell. You'll find it below in the description with my website. So right now, if you'd like to learn more about how you can acquire this tool to help you to build your business and or resell this amazing marketing system for 100% profit, just head on over to bestincomechoice.com. The link is in the description, and enter your email. You'll be able to come right inside and watch the 7-minute video, which does a fantastic job of doing all my telling, selling, and explaining for me so that I don't have to. This is a very automated process, an automated system, and it can be used for anything. It's a complete turnkey marketing system. I know you're going to love it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to hopefully see you soon on the inside. Welcome to Get Fearless Freedom in advance. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.